In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Verizon router yellow light issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you get this yellow light, it typically means there's no internet connection. This can happen due to service outage in your area, loose or damaged cables, or issues with the optical network terminal for Fios users, or a malfunction with the router itself. Now, in order to fix this, alright, so fix number one is restart your router. So unplug the power cable from the router or the wall, then wait 60 seconds, then simply plug it back in and wait for it to fully reboot. Check if the light turns white or green, which means normal. Fix number two, check all cables. So make sure the Ethernet cable at the back and the coaxial cables are securely connected. And if there are any damaged cables, go ahead and replace them. If using a Verizon Fios, ensure that the INT box is powered and connected as well. Alright, so step number three is check for outages. So go to verizon.com/outage or use the My Verizon app and see if there's a service outage. You need to wait for Verizon to fix it. Step number four, restart your ONT if using Fios. So locate the optical network terminal, ONT, usually in the basement or outside. Unplug its battery and power cord, or you can hold the button under the unit and then wait 1 minute, then plug it back in. This can reset your fiber connection. Alright, step five, which is a absolute last resort, we want to go ahead and reset the router. So this will restore factory settings, used only as a last resort. So by using a paper clip or something sharp and pointy to press and hold the reset button on the back of the unit for 10 to 15 seconds. So this reset button can be on the back or the bottom of the unit. Then from here, wait for it to reboot and reconfigure your network.